Hi students, I am Nimisha and I will be teaching you your next chapter, areas related to circles. Before we dive into the problems, we just need some basics for the first exercise. Pi. Pi, what is the value of pi? In fraction we take it as 22/7 and if mentioned in decimal we take it as 3.14. Perimeter of a circle we all know 2 pi r. So, the perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r. Perimeter means you are only going on the boundary. So, remember one thing, whenever I say perimeter, think you are fencing the boundary, you are putting a fence. Whenever we say area, think you are painting the plot. So, 2 pi r meaning I am putting fence around this boundary and it is 2 pi r meters or distance or units. Perimeter of semicircle. Semicircle means the center is here, center is here. So, this is half of it. So, I can say 2 pi r by 2. But when I am fencing this, I will fence here the curve 2 pi r by 2, yes. But I will also have to fence this region which is r and this region which is r. So, 2 pi r by 2 plus 2r. 2 cancels, you get pi r plus 2r is nothing but d. Perimeter of semicircle formula. I hope it's clear. Now, area of a circle. We all know area of a circle is pi r square. So, if this is my circle, area of a circle means you are painting this whole circle. So, area of semicircle, you have a circle, now it is semi. You are painting this part. So, it is half of this. So, pi r square by 2. Area of a quadrant, quadrant is nothing but quarter circle. So, this part. So, it is pi r square. If I want to take only this part, pi r square by 4. This is the basics you need for the first exercise. Let us first start off with the example 1. Example 1. The cost of fencing a circular field at the rate of rupees 24 per meter is rupees 5280. They have given the cost of fencing per meter. So, cost for 1 meter is rupees 24 and they have given total cost is rupees 5280. The field is to be ploughed at the rate of 0.50 per meter square. Find the cost of ploughing the field. For 1 meter square, ploughing cost is rupees 50, not 50, 0.50. You have to find total cost for ploughing. See, what they have given here, the first part is fencing. Fencing is related to perimeter, because if I have a field and I am fencing, I am only going to do this region. But if I am ploughing the field, the grass, the area, I will have to do it with area. So, this is related to ploughing is related to area and this is related to perimeter. So, total cost is 5280 and perimeter cost of 1 meter is this much. So, we all know that. Take the cost for 1 meter and if I multiply it with perimeter, I should get total cost. Yes. Cost for 1 meter is 24. Perimeter is 2 pi r. Total cost is 5280. So, now 24 into 2 into 22/7 into r is 5280. R is equal to, send the 7 up, 5280 into 7 divided by 24 into 2 into 22. Divide this and see what you get. What's the value of r? So r you get as 35 meters. Remember one thing, I have been using the word perimeter over here. Perimeter of the circle is nothing but circumference of the circle. Same thing, circumference of the circle is perimeter. Okay, so now coming here, cost for 1 meter square is 0.5, total cost to be found. So for this you need total area, right? So first we will find the area. Area is pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7, r is 35 into 35. 7 ones are 7 5s are. Multiply this and we get 3850 meters square. Now total cost is cost for 1 meter square into area. 0.5 into 3850. This is nothing but, so this is nothing but 1925 rupees. Exercise 12.1, first question. The radii of two circles are 19 centimeters and 9 centimeters respectively. So we have two circles, R1 is 19 centimeters and R2 is 9 centimeters. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the circumference of the sum of the circumferences of the two circles. Find the radius of the circle whose circumference, so new circle, the circumference of that circle is equal to sum of circumferences of the of the two circles. So we have these two circles. If you add them, you're getting a new circle having the same circumference. So circumference of new circle is circumference of 1 plus circumference of 2. Circumference is given as 2 pi r new, 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2. 2 pi r new is equal to 2 pi into r1 plus r2. 2 pi cancels. R new is equal to, what is R1? 19. What is R2? 9. R new is therefore equal to 28 centimeters. Question 2. Similar to question 1, but there is a small change. The radii of two circles are 8 centimeters and 6 centimeters respectively. R1 is 8 and R2 is 6. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles. So we have to find the radius of this new circle whose area is equal to the sum of the two areas. Area is given as pi r square. Pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. Right. So pi r new square is equal to pi into r1 square plus r2 square. We took pi common here. Pi cancels. R new square is equal to R1 is what? 8. 8 square plus R2 is what? 6. So R new square is equal to 64 plus 36. R new square is equal to 100. R new is equal to plus or minus root 100. R new is equal to 10. Plus or minus 10. We will ignore the negative sign. Why? Because radius cannot be negative. Unit same as the other two radii, centimeters. Question 3. Figure 12.3 depicts an archery target marked with its 5 scoring areas from the center outwards as gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region representing gold is 21 centimeters and each of the other bands is 10.5 centimeters wide. Find the area of each of the 5 scoring regions. See, there are how many circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, they have given the gold. For gold, the diameter is 21 centimeters. And each of the additional band has a width of 10.5 centimeters. So 10.5 this side, 10.5 this side. This is the next color, red. After red we have blue. Again you have 10.5 and another 10.5. Then you have black. I don't know if you can see the black. Another 10.5, another 10.5, and then we have white. Here you have 10.5 and 10.5. So how do we do this problem? You have to find the area of each of this region. We can first start with gold. Area of gold is easy. This is the whole thing over here. Diameter for gold, first we are doing gold. So diameter is given as 21 centimeters. So radius is 21 by 2 centimeters. Area of gold will be pi r square. 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. 7 ones are 7 3s are, 2 1s are 2, 11s are. 11 into 3, 33, 33 into 21. So 33 into 21, 693. So 693 by 2. What is 693 by 2? 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12.5 centimeters square. This is the area of the gold region. So now we'll take the radius of the red circle now, the whole radius. So we're going in for red now. And what will be the diameter? This whole thing is going to be the diameter. So 10.5 plus 21 plus 10.5, correct? So 10.5 and 10.5 together gives you 21, 21, 21, 42. So diameter is 42. Radius is 42 by 2, 21 centimeters. So we got the radius. So now if I take area using that, this is my area. So I will be taking the whole area. But I don't want the whole area. I want only the red portion. I want only the red portion, and the red portion is only this. So what should I do? First find the whole area, then minus the gold. See, first find the whole area, then minus the gold. I hope you are understanding. So first find the whole area and then minus the gold. We will get the red region. So now what are we going to do? First find the whole area. So to find the whole area now, how do we do this? Pi r square, 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. 1s are, 3s are. 22 into 3, 66. 66 into 21. 1386 centimeter. This area is what area? Area of red plus gold. I want now only area of red. So what do we do now? I want only area of red. So I will do area of red plus gold minus area of gold. Red plus gold 1386 minus area of gold 346.5. We get 1039.5 centimeter square. Now to go in for the next one, we have to find next area of blue. Let's just make this a little clear. Right. So now if I want to find area of blue, first I should find the radius of blue. What will be my radius of blue? this whole diameter of red is now 42. To the 42, add 10.5 and 10.5. So 42 plus 21, how much is that? 63. So the diameter of the blue circle will now be 63. Diameter of the blue circle will now be 63. So now if I take area, I am going to get area of blue plus red plus gold. Then but I want only blue. So what will I do? I have to then subtract gold and red. Understood? Yes? Okay. So let's write it down. So first we are taking blue. So for blue, first diameter will now be 10.5 plus 42 plus 10.5. 63 centimeters. Radius is 63 by 2 centimeters. Now we get area of blue plus red plus gold. Area of blue plus red plus gold, pi r square, 22 by 7 into 63 by 2 into 63 by 2. 7 ones are 7 nines are. Solve this. What do we get? We get 3118.5 centimeter square. But I want only area of blue, so I have to remove the red and gold. So I can now write area of blue plus red plus gold. Okay, I want only area of blue. So area of blue is equal to area of blue plus red plus gold minus area of red plus gold. Area of blue plus red plus gold 3118.5 minus 1386. So this becomes 1732.5 centimeter square. Similarly, we next have black and blue. I will not do the whole thing, you all will do it. Find the new diameter. So this will become 10.5 plus 63 plus 10.5. Then find the radius. Then find area of black plus blue plus red plus gold. After we find that, what do? We then find area of black alone. How do we do that? This new area, that is black plus blue plus red plus gold minus area of blue, red, gold. We already have all these values, find it out and we shall match the answer. Similarly, do for white also. What will be white? Your new diameter. So here this is 10.5, 10.5, 21. 21 plus 63, what did we get here? 84. So this will be 10.5 plus 84 plus 10.5. I hope you are understanding how we are doing this. R. So you find the area of the whole circle. You find the area of the whole circle, that is white plus black plus blue plus red plus gold. Then you want only area of white. So it's the area of the whole circle minus area of black plus blue plus red plus gold, which is nothing but what you found here. Solve this. I'll put up the answers, verify if you get it matching with mine. So verify your answers. For the black, you should get the total area of black with all other colors, 5544 centimeter square. Area of black alone will be 2425.5 centimeter square. For white, area of the whole circle, that is white plus black plus blue plus red plus gold, you will get the total area to be 8662.5 centimeter square, and area of white alone 3118.5 centimeter square. Question 4. The wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeters each. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at 66 km per hour? The wheels of a car are of diameters 80 centimeters each. So we have a wheel who has a diameter 80 centimeters. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? See, one revolution means it will come, see, assume that this is starting from here. When this will rotate and come here, after one revolution, let's say it comes here. That means this distance is nothing but the same as the circumference, 2 pi r. So if it revolves and it goes over here, then we can say the time taken for this travel is 10 minutes. That is nothing but 10 by 60 r or 1 by 6 r. Speed is given as 66 kilometer per hour. So can I find the total distance of the travel? Yes. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is 66, time is 1 by 6, 1s are 11s are. So 11 kilometers is travelled by the wheel. So the total distance is 11 kilometers. One revolution, this much. One more revolution, this much. One more revolution, this much. This is nothing but 2 pi r, 2 pi r, 2 pi r. How many revolutions? If it's 3 revolutions, 3 into 2 pi r. So we don't know how many revolutions. Let the revolutions be n. Let the revolutions be n. Then the distance can be n into 2 pi r. Total distance is 2 pi r plus 2 pi r plus 2 pi r. How many 2 pi r's? N 2 pi r's. So the distance is here. How much? 11 kilometers. What have they given about the wheel? 80 centimeters. Let's convert this also to kilometers, or we'll convert the kilometer to centimeter. Let's convert this to centimeter. Okay. Let's do this. So distance, let's convert it to meters. So it becomes 100, 11 into 1000, 11,000 meters. And what about the radius? Radius is given as 80 centimeters, converted to meters. Radius is 80 by 100 meters. 2 4s are 5 meters. So 4 by 5 meters. So the total distance here is 11,000 is equal to n into 2 into 22 by 7 into r, which is 4 by 5. Now you have to solve for n. So n 11,000 into 7 into 5 divided by 2 into 22 into 4 is equal to n. So 2 1s are 2, 5s are 10, 5s are 10, 0, 0. 2, okay, 11 2s are 11, 5 hundreds are. 2 1s are 2 50s are. 2 2s are 2 125s are. 125 into 35 by 2 is equal to n. So radius, diameter given was 80 centimeters. So I can say radius is 80 by 2 or 40 centimeters. Convert this to meters, 40 by 100, 2 5, so 2 by 5 meters. Substitute it here, 11,000 is equal to n into 2 into 22 by 7 into 2 by 5. So 11,000 into 7 into 5 divided by 2 into 22 into 2 is equal to n. Let's solve this. Two 11s are, or you can say 11. Let's do it with 11. 11 2s are 11 100s are. 2 1s are 2 500s are. 2 1s are 2 50s are. 2 1s are 2 125s are. So 125 into 7 into 5, 7 into 5 is 35 is equal to n. On multiplying this, we get 4375 revolutions. Question 5. Pick the correct answer in the following and justify your choice. If the perimeter and the area of the circle are numerically equal, then the radius of the circle is. Perimeter and area of the circle are numerically equal. Perimeter is 2 pi r, area is pi r square. So pi cancels. r and 1r cancels. R is therefore equal to 2. We don't know the units, so just write 2 units. So option